In today's multicultural community, forming relationships that cross ethnic and socioeconomic boundaries is essential. From this center, we can take a unified stand against crime and work towards solutions to prevent violence. The Crispus Attucks Cultural Center brings positive alternatives by providing high-quality, affordable, and accessible arts education to young people and adults. Finding unity, however, continues to be elusive. A gateway is emerging as the center of community, where young people and adults are given positive alternatives to the pitfalls of drugs, gangs, and violence. The historic Attucks Theater, located in the heart of Norfolk's African-American community, incorporates a cultural center. But the Crispus Attucks Cultural Center is more than brick and mortar. It's about relationships. Through the Crispus Attucks Cultural Center, or CACC, the Attucks has emerged as a positive social environment, building bridges across communities and cultures, emerging as a place where all may feel at home. The CACC is a 501c3 organization founded in 1990 to aid the restoration and operation of the Attucks Theater in Norfolk, Virginia. CACC connects to schools, economic development, recreation, and public and private sectors to forge the strategic alliances necessary to focus on the health and vitality of the southeastern Virginia region. Partnerships include Norfolk Public Schools, Norfolk State University, Hampton University, Hampton Roads Ventures, Southeastern Virginia Arts Association, and Black Entertainment Television. The Crispus Attucks Cultural Center provides year-round educational and multicultural programming, emphasizing the richness of the African American and African diaspora experience. CACC uses dance, film, music, photography, theater, literary and visual arts, and technology as vehicles for developing self-esteem, self-discipline, and creative expression. The populations served include the greater metropolitan areas of southeastern Virginia and surrounding suburbs, a diverse community of people, culturally, socially, and economically. The CACC provides 2,500 individual participating low-income youth with a progressive curriculum to serve their unmet educational needs and interests. Core programs include RISE, Rhythm in Setting Expectations, Attucks Theater Summer Arts Program, and the Mid-Atlantic Black Film Festival. RISE provides year-round, project-oriented opportunities for students to work directly with professional artists at the Attucks Theater and gain quality experience through hands-on activities in a fun and exciting atmosphere. To maintain the commitment to make the arts accessible to all students with the talent and desire to learn, RISE provides financial assistance and tuition scholarships to more than 95% of students. The Attucks Theater Summer Arts Program provides a safe haven for children ages 7 to 17, 6 days a week during summer morning and afternoon hours. The Mid-Atlantic Black Film Festival, or MABFF, is an annual juried competition and showcase for independent filmmakers. The festival's lineup highlights the short and student film competition. It also includes premieres, international cinema, tributes, a pitch-a-thon, and panels facilitated by leading figures in the film industry. The MABFF also features the popular Kids Film Series, a fun-filled showcase of films from around the world made especially for children and teens. CACC gives students the chance to explore their world through the arts. It inspires them toward a newfound love of learning with innovative resources designed to motivate young people toward higher academic and personal achievement. The Crispus Attucks Cultural Center's arts education and programming will enrich our society by helping individuals become more self-reliant and improving the quality of life in their communities. It's about giving youth opportunities to discover their world through focused discipline. It helps students build their self-confidence, strengthen their academic performance, unleash their passion, and hopefully realize their full potential. While the future of CACC looks bright, we need your help. Please help us to continue supporting teachers, inspiring students, and engaging communities through the power of the arts. You can help secure the future success of the CACC and its students through direct donations, in-kind donations and support, or by volunteering. Whether financial, services, or time and talent, everyone has something to give. Call the CACC at 757-622-4763 or visit us online at www.attuckstheater.org for more information on our programs and how you can help.